Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you the proper way to find your target market. There are many pay-per-click advertising platforms out there where you can use their tools to find your target market, but they just aren't accurate. There's a way that you can knock this out of the park by targeting the exact people you want. For instance, Facebook ads let you choose the sex and the ages and so on that you can target, but their own tools don't give you the most accurate information. So let me show you what I mean. Let's go to Google and then let's put here what our general keyword is. So you do some keyword research first, and let's look for a general one here. Let's call it throwing pots. Okay, this is pretty specific in the craft field. Okay, so you may or may not find this to be a good keyword, but what you want to do is put after this forums. Okay, so Ceramic Arts Daily, wheel throwing techniques. Let's have a look in here. And what you want to do is find a fairly active forum in here. Okay, so let's see. There's a forum. Okay, so as you see, this one is quite active. We got lots of topics, lots of replies. Sometimes at the bottom you can determine how many members there are. Okay, so 46,000 posts, 10,522 active members. Okay, so we know that people that are interested in ceramic arts, which is part of our general pot throwing category, are going to be the people that are interested in this forum. So what we want to do is take this domain here. Well, we can just take the whole URL here. Okay, and then what we want to do is go to a tool that will give us the data we need for this site. Okay, and the site we're going to is Quantcast at quantcast.com. Okay, so all you do now is you put your domain in here. Actually, we don't need the whole thing. We can just put in the main domain. We don't actually need the whole thing there. And then click the search button. Okay, now if they have their site set up with Quantcast, you're going to get a lot more information here. Let me just show you here. Let's click here. And I'll just show you that a site that has been quantified by Quantcast, for instance, in this case is WordPress.com, how much more information you can get. Let's just let this load up here. So you see down here we get a lot more statistics, number of males versus females, the age ranges, and whether they have college and no college. Okay, so your best bet is to find a site that has been quantified on Quantcast. Okay, now if you can't, what we'll do is we'll go and check the Alexa ranking. Okay, so I have the Alexa on my toolbar here, but you can just go to alexa.com and then put in the domain name. Okay, so here we go, Ceramic Arts Daily. Let's just click on that to bring up the entire website. If you look down here, you'll see that our target market is going to be overwhelmingly female with some college or graduate school, and they view from home mostly. Okay, and then you can see here they're from United States, India, Australia, and Serbia. Okay, so you'd want to pick the top ones, which would be the top 3 here. So United States is going to have the most views. Okay, so that'll give you the most of your demographics. The only thing you don't get if you don't have a pro account is the ages. And in that case, since you know that most people are viewing from home and have some college education or graduate school, you know that they're going to be about 25 plus. So that would be where you would target your ages. Okay, so this gives you an almost complete profile. Of course, you will get a better profile if you have a site that is quantified. So you can go through your search results and find another forum that has quantified results. Okay, otherwise, this gives you enough information that you can get your target market narrowed down much better than you can with the tools that are provided in ad networks.